Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it's a very exciting day. I've got something from Apple. This is an iPad Pro and I ordered this last night. I got it this morning. I'm very excited. Just let's just unbox. So as you can see in the box, it's iPad Pro. Its size is 11-inch, the screen size, and it's 128 gigabytes with Retina display. I have got some accessories for it. A screen protector, it's paper like screen protector from JTech. And the next one is for the case, and it's also from JTech. We'll unbox this after the unboxing of the iPad. Let's start the unboxing and the aesthetic Apple unboxing. Enjoy. Let's open the box. Here we have got our beautiful iPad. Yay! Oh, apologize for my bad humor, guys. Let's take it out finally. I was very excited, to be honest. And this iPad, being in Canada, earning on your own money, and you buying it for your own from your savings, it's a huge thing. I'm pretty excited to use it. The main reason I got it is that to not taking in my college, and for calligraphy Procreate thing. We'll do something crazy on it in the coming videos. Let's remove this paper. It's Wi-Fi. It's beautiful. This paper is so nice. It's like these pleasing sound when we remove it. It's like great. I don't know if you guys like it or not. Just let me know in the comments. So here we got this beautiful iPad, the dual camera, the ultra wide, the LiDAR scanner, the iPad Pro. Yay! I'm too excited. I don't know why I'm doing this. The beautiful Apple logo. It's silver color. My laptop is silver, and coincidentally my iPad's silver too. I just thought about that. Yeah, it's kind of good. I like the silver color genuinely. It's like something different. The gray is like something boring like that. This is like bright and nice. So after that, I took a break from the video recording. I got the paper-like screen protector on it successfully. Yay! Finally, I did it. And it was just once, but I was pretty scared about when I was applying it because I had just one piece of it. Let's open our case for the iPad. The very important thing, because I don't want to break my iPad if I drop it. Otherwise, I will get in a huge loss. Here we have got our case. It's purple and it's magnetic, like the front on the screen. That's magnetic locks. So when we close it, the iPad turns off automatically because of the magnet. I will make another video on my Apple Pencil when it arrives. It had some engravings, so I personalized it. It will take some time to come, maybe 4 days, but this video will be coming to you guys a little late because I'm lazy, busy in my school and work. So, and to tell you a secret, I'm voice recording it. I'm like voice overing it. So yeah, I hope you have not noticed it before me telling you. So I have applied the case as well. It looks nice. I really like the color. I'm shooting it in the night in the room and there's no light here. I'm broke, guys. I need some money. So I hope the color is coming right in the camera. It's pretty cool. It's like a very light shade and it's kind of cool. So these are some positions I was trying to make my iPad stand or on an angle for viewing and for note taking. We'll just play around now. I just really love the back of this. It's so nice because of mainly because of the cameras. It's just add a new look to it. It's like great. Surely like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed, and let me know if I should make videos like this after that, or should I do voiceover or not on my videos, or should I keep quiet because I speak too much and it's like it doesn't see I speak so much that my video ended I was still speaking. Okay, so I just want to say, just hit subscribe, like if you enjoyed, and let me know in the comments below, give your feedback, and wait for the next video on Apple Pencil. We'll see you shortly back. Thank you so much.